Hi everyone, welcome to the review of Motion Array, the ultimate platform for video creators. If you're looking for stock footage, royalty-free music, sound effects, and motion graphics templates, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll dive into the powerful tools and resources that Motion Array offers, especially its plugins built specifically for industry-leading software such as Premiere Pro, After Effects, Final Cut Pro, and DaVinci Resolve. So what exactly is Motion Array? It's a membership-based platform that gives you unlimited access to a vast library of digital assets. Whether you're a filmmaker, content creator, or just someone interested in post-production, Motion Array has you covered. You'll find nearly 2 million assets, including stock videos, motion graphics, music, and templates for professional software like Adobe Premiere Pro, After Effects, Final Cut Pro, and even DaVinci Resolve. The user interface is elegantly organized, allowing creators to seamlessly search for assets by category, software, or popularity. The platform's massive collection of Premiere Pro plugins, the largest in the world, stands as a testament to its commitment to empowering creators with industry-standard tools. Now let's talk about templates, presets, and plugins, the true stars of Motion Array. With thousands of titles, lower thirds, and intros available, enhancing your project has never been easier. The drag and drop functionality allows even beginners to add professional-grade effects without a steep learning curve. If you're into customizing your work, their collection of infographics, animated stickers, and LUTs for color grading can help your content pop. Drag and drop transitions and camera animations streamline the editing process, especially for YouTubers or short filmmakers. Additionally, Motion Array's plugins are not limited to Adobe Premiere Pro. They also work seamlessly with other industry-leading software like After Effects, Final Cut Pro, and DaVinci Resolve. This flexibility makes it an excellent choice for creators using multiple platforms. When it comes to pricing, Motion Array offers two main plans. You can choose a monthly subscription for $19.99 or save big with an annual membership for $239.88, which breaks down to just about $20 per month. If you're creating a lot of content, the annual plan is a fantastic money saver. There's also a free account option, giving you access to hundreds of assets to try before you commit. Motion Array's pricing is competitive, especially when you consider that all plans include unlimited downloads from their entire library. While some premium platforms might offer higher-end content, Motion Array strikes a great balance between affordability and quality, making it an ideal choice for creators on a budget. Let's explore Motion Array's music library. While it might not be as extensive as platforms like Artlist, it offers a solid selection of royalty-free tracks with easy-to-use filters to help you find the perfect music by genre, mood, or tempo. You can quickly sync the right track to match the vibe of your video. Their sound effects library is top-notch, offering everything from ambience to Foley effects. The simple user interface makes it easy to find and download exactly what you need to enhance your project. Moving on to stock footage and photos, Motion Array has a large collection of high-quality footage suitable for client projects and social media posts. While it may not rival premium services like ArtGrid, it offers fantastic value at this price point. Just remember to check file sizes, as some can be larger than expected. Motion Array also provides editable photos and motion graphics, perfect for Photoshop and Premiere Pro projects. Customizable text and graphics add even more value to your visual storytelling. Now let's touch on licensing. Motion Array has a straightforward universal license covering personal and commercial use, which is crucial for content creators. You can download as many assets as you like, and projects created while your subscription is active will be covered forever. Just keep in mind that once your membership ends, you won't be able to use downloaded files in new projects. So is Motion Array worth it? For me, absolutely. It's affordable, offers a vast library, and provides plenty of high-quality assets. If you're like me and want a reliable source of unlimited stock footage without the hassle of licensing issues, I highly recommend giving Motion Array a try. And if you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more content like this.